Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when you upload an Instagram story video and the quality of that video is really bad. Okay, so a couple of things can be happening here, and one of the most common reason is that you are on a bad internet connection, because if you are on a bad internet connection and you try and upload a video to your Instagram story, what Instagram is going to do is that are going to reduce the quality of video to go ahead and upload it onto your story. So the first thing you must make sure of is that you are on a good internet connection. So you can either switch to your mobile data or go a little bit closer to your Wi-Fi router. Just make that you sure the connection is strong. Typically data is good if you want to upload Instagram story, depending on where you live. Second things you can do is change your cellular data on Instagram settings. So log into your account and go to your profile. Tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Then open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. Proceed to settings and select account. On Android device or on some another different version of Instagram, you will see something about data usage or data saver. You just tap on this option and you will see useless cellular data. You just disable it. And third way, you enable high quality uploads. Just swipe the slider to the right side. And now we enable this option. I hope it fix your bad quality after upload to your Instagram story. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.